Welcome. In this video we'll be finding the area of a triangle part 2. Let's take a look at our example. Example 1. Find the area of the following triangle. If you recall, the formula to find the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 times base times height. Let's identify what we know. We happen to know that the base is equal to 6 yards, and we happen to know that the height is equal to 12 feet. Notice that both the base and the height are in different units, so what we need to do is to convert to the same units. In this case, since we have yards and feet, what we're going to do is to use a proportion in order to convert from one to the other unit. We happen to know that 1 yard happens to be equal to 3 feet. So 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and what I'm going to do is to convert this feet to yards. So I'm going to say that the actual height is unknown in terms of yards, but we happen to know that in terms of feet, which is 12 feet. Now cross multiplying, we have 3 times x becomes 3x, and 1 times 12 becomes 12. Now solving for x, by dividing by 3, we get that x is equal to 4, because 12 divided by 3 gives you 4, and in this case we happen to know that the height is equal to 4. And notice, since there are x's which are along the label of yards, they happen to be 4 yards. Okay, now since we have the same type of units, we can substitute in the values into our formula. So we can say area is equal to 1/2 times the base, which happens to be 6 yards, times the height, which happens to be 4 yards. Now let's go ahead and multiply. Half of 6 happens to be 3, so we have 3 yards times 4 yards in here. And we get that area is equal to 3 times 4, which is 12, and yards times yards becomes square yards, or yard square. And that's the actual area of this particular triangle using yards. So we can say, therefore, the area of the triangle is 12 square yards, or 12 yards square. And that's how we can actually find the area of this particular triangle. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.